Yeah, I'm here to talk about the Nordhavn 80. The Nordhavn 80 was kind of born here in the office, talking about the Nordhavn 76 and what customers were looking for in that boat. And we decided that there was a gap in between the 76 and the 86. And so the 80-foot boat was kind of born. It offers 3 guest staterooms down below, plus a cruise quarters back of the lazarette. And it's got almost the same room as a Nordhavn 86 inside, but in an 80-foot package. It also has a sky lounge behind the pilot house that could be used as a master stateroom, cruise quarters, or just for fun, lounging around, hanging out. The boat is 23 foot 4 inches wide, so it's almost the same width as the 96. It's 2 feet wider than the 76, which gives it all that interior volume that we were looking for. It has all the other same attributes our Nordhavns have: long range, large fluid capacities, very robust build scantlings. And it's an exciting boat. We've got 3 under construction right now, and we're looking for the first one to be shipped in about October of this year.